Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muna Izzah binti Muhammad Zaki, and today I will present my research project. The title for my research project is a computational analysis of Thiosemicarbazones. First of all, Thiosemicarbazones is widely used in organic synthesis as an intermediate and starting material compound. This compound is versatile and can act as a balanced ligand through S and N atom. The reaction between thiosemicarbazones with aldehyde or ketones produce thiosemicarbazones that are similar to semicarbazone. As previously reported, thiosemicarbazones derivative complex, including co-ligand like phenanthroline group, diamine, hydroxy compound, and phosphane are commonly used in mechanism as enzyme action. Many thiosemicarbazones derivatives have been studied for their antibacterial properties and have been found to use in biological and pharmacology activities. These compounds are associated with antibacterial, anti-HIV, anti-cancer, and anti-malaria action. This compound also used in various electronic devices such as optical computing, optical storage, and telecommunication. Then, this compound also has the capability to coordinate with metal ions in a different form, which is neutral and ionic. Next, one of the thiosemicarbazone derivatives, namely 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone, has drawn attention in pharmacology activity in previous years. This compound is very useful in the medical field as antibacterial properties in tuberculosis treatment. In this research, we focus to determine the characterization of 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone, such as electronic structure, spectroscopic characterization, and chemical activity using the quantum mechanical calculation. Next is problem statement. According to the World Health Organization data in 2016, 10.4 million new tuberculosis patients were diagnosed worldwide with 1.67 million deaths. The majority of TB-infected people can be cured with early diagnosis and proper treatment. Therefore, a new antibacterial agent should be produced. The next problem is 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone has NH2 functional group attached to an aromatic ring. NH2 is an electronic donating group because it has lone pair on it, which it can donate to the ring. This NH2 ligand is ineffective as an antibacterial agent to discover the tuberculosis. In addition, the location of substituent on the aromatic rings will also give a different effect towards the tuberculosis treatment. Therefore, to enhance the effectiveness of the drug, the method is designed to modify and identify the properties, crystal and molecule structure, and spectroscopic characterization of 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone. In this research, I want to investigate the chemical activity, infrared spectral, molecular electrostatic potential surface, density functional theory, and frontal orbital surface of the 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone by using the quantum mechanical calculation, and at the same time to find out the properties of the thiosemicarbazones derivative in biology activities. The finding of this study will provide society with benefit considering that thiosemicarbazones derivative plays an important role in science and technologies today. This study will be beneficial for future medicinal chemists in developing various treatments from this ligand. The result can enable them to produce numerous treatments for infectious diseases such as tuberculosis. Furthermore, this study will also help future research to investigate the properties of thiosemicarbazones derivative in their research. The idea presented maybe can be used as reference data in conducting new research and will provide them background or overview of the thiosemicarbazones derivative. Through the study recommendation, the medicine will produce the new treatment. Therefore, the human health will able to improve. Next is literature review. Since 1946, thiosemicarbazones derivatives have been studied for their antibacterial activity. When Doma and other researchers report their effectiveness against tuberculosis, this compound, or also known as thioacetazone, is the first antibacterial agent that has been widely used for TB treatment in Africa, America, and Germany. Then, Gorab and other researchers report that TB killed 1.3 million individuals globally in 2012, with over 95% of them coming from developing countries and also the third leading cause of death among women aged 15 to 49. 4-acetylaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazone is one of the antibacterial agents used as second-line medication for tuberculosis treatment because of their cost is not expensive. This substance also suspected to have antibacterial effect by inhibiting the manufacture of mycolic acid. Derivative of thiosemicarbazones with its metal complex are very important, and this compound is widely used because it can enhance bioactivities that iron see in the free ligand. For example, polyhydroxybenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazones derivative and nickel complex with ligand attached to the metal center were very effective towards the cell cancer. Additionally, many crystal structures of thiosemicarbazones derivative have been reported. In the previous study, the synthesis, characterization, and optimized structure of 2-acetylpyridine thiosemicarbazones by using quantum mechanical calculation has been reported in 2015. Thus, in order to achieve the target for this research, 4-acetaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazones will use to determine their characterization by using the computational method. For the methodology part, all calculation of the 4-acetaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazones was performed at B3LYP level in the Gaussian 03 package with the 3,1G basic size. Then, the theoretical hydrogen and carbon NMR chemical shift value were calculated using the Gauss independent atomic orbital method. The molecular electrostatic potential scan, infrared, ultraviolet, visible spectroscopy, and frontal orbital, which is homoendomorph surface of the ligand, were obtained in this study by using the same method. By the end of the experiment, all parameters of 4-acetaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazones should be characterized by density functional theory using the standard Gaussian 03 along with the regular 3,1G basic sets, including Fourier transform infrared and Gauss independent atomic orbital. Using this spectroscopy, hydrogen and carbon NMR that can determine the molecular identity and structure should be expected to identify all the functional groups in the compound. Next, IR spectra of 4-acetaminobenzaldehyde thiosemicarbazones must be in the range 400 to 4000 range, include the vibration properties of benzene ring, alkyl chain, CH, NH, and CN stretching mode. Lastly, the mass surface and homolumo energy gap also can be analyzed and should be expected to illustrate the charge distribution in this compound and give the positive outcome. That's all from me. Thank you.